Sir, you mentioned that we should not respond to the cookie according to how they are. If they are bad, we should not respond in bad. So, can you comment on that?
Yeah, absolutely, precisely. That is my firm opinion. All right? Our conduct, our decision making should not be controlled by any extraneous forces. We are, first of all, a Christian society. We have a set of principles, and we have a definite, God-given spirit that moves us, that guides us, that controls every bit of our thinking, of our decision making. And why should, when it comes to the release or otherwise of the hostages, why should we be guided by what the cookies do? Well, if they do well, I say good luck, and God be gracious to them. If they do otherwise, well, I can't control. But I say, in response, I refuse to be guided and controlled by what they do. I will not respond the way they have done. If they have done any, mischief, and why mischief? If they have even gone beyond and do the heinous, crime, I say, sorry. I'm so sorry. I'll not take that stand. If it happens in the jungle, there's a fighting on. Well, that is beyond my control. It happens, right? Even God knows the situation. But, you have taken some people, innocent people, hostages. It is up to you, right? Yeah, for some time, just to convey a lesson, you may hold them. Hold them for a few days, for some time. Good enough. The lesson has been conveyed. But once done with, you have to release them. They are innocent people. They don't have to pay that kind of penalty that we expect for the worst. Certainly not. Humanity is for nothing. It has a definite, strong, firm principle on the basis of which we humanity exists. Right? And more than, the spirit of humanity, the principle of humanity, we are a Christian society. We can't just say that. We are Christian. And in our life in action, we prove otherwise. That we can go, barbaric